Hey everyone, welcome to Nutriology. In today's busy world, we often forget the importance of eating healthy, especially when it comes to dinner time. Dinner is an essential meal that provides our bodies with the necessary nutrients required for our overall well-being. Eating a healthy dinner can also help in maintaining a healthy weight, improving sleep quality, and preventing chronic diseases. So let's get started and explore the 5 best healthy foods for dinner. Our first healthy food for dinner is grilled salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help in reducing inflammation and lower the risk of heart diseases. Grilling salmon is a healthy way of cooking as it doesn't require any oil, making it low in calories. You can also add some vegetables like asparagus or broccoli on the side to make it a complete and healthy meal. Second healthy food for dinner is brown rice with chicken and vegetables. Brown rice is a great source of fiber which is important for digestive health. Chicken is a good source of protein, and adding vegetables like broccoli, bell peppers and carrots add extra vitamins and minerals. You can stir fry them in a wok or bake them in the oven to make a delicious and healthy meal. Our third healthy food for dinner is a quinoa salad. Quinoa is a superfood that is high in protein, fiber, and essential amino acids. It is also gluten-free, making it an excellent option for people with gluten intolerance. You can add some chopped veggies like cucumbers, tomatoes, and bell peppers and toss them with some olive oil and lemon juice for a refreshing and healthy salad. The fourth healthy food for dinner is a vegetable stir fry. Stir fry is a quick and healthy way of cooking vegetables as it retains their nutrients. You can add some tofu or chicken for added protein and serve it with some brown rice or quinoa for a complete and healthy meal. Our final healthy food for dinner is lentil soup. Lentils are a great source of protein, fiber, and minerals. They also help in regulating blood sugar levels and reducing cholesterol levels. You can add some vegetables like carrots, onions, and celery, and some spices like cumin and coriander to make a delicious and healthy soup. So there you have it, the top 5 best healthy foods for dinner. Eating a healthy dinner doesn't have to be boring or tasteless. With these 5 options, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals that will keep you healthy and satisfied. Remember, a healthy dinner is essential for overall well-being, and it's never too late to start eating healthy. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Toodles!